What's the word, OG gang? It's your boy, J-Baby6 with another episode. Listen, this is a special event right here, you know what I'm saying? This is special. I got one of my subscribers, he asked me, you know what I'm saying? It's like, yo, OG, I want to see how you brush your 540. You know what I'm saying? This is for you, brother. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for being honest. Thank you for going straight to the point. Feel me? So, I'm going to break down how I brush my 540. There's a lot of 540s out there. They brush their own way. Everybody got their own tricks. You know what I'm saying? So this subscriber, I'm going to show him how I brush my 540. So follow my pattern. Do the best you can. Right now, my pattern is effed up. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to curse so much because I got youngsters watching my channel. But my pattern right now is messed up. I'm trying to get back in shape. You know what I'm saying? I was off the game for like 3 months. I'm back at it. You know what I'm saying? So bear with me. And I know a lot of people's going to my hairline. Hello. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? So this is for my subscriber. Let me show you my size first. That's my weak side. It's stronger than my other side, to be honest with you. Okay, that's the back, of course. Boom, boom. Go to my top. My side. So, let me see. You can see there. You can see there. I'll brush this side right here. It's simple. I'll brush it horizontal. If you see these waves right here, I don't pass this because I don't want to overlap. This right here is the back, so I don't brush the back. Here, from here forward, I brush, okay? On that way forward. So what I'll do is this. I put it there, straight forward. Put it there. So every angle that you have, you continue from your angles, okay? That's how you avoid overlapping and creating forks. So wherever you left the brush, that's where you continue. So me personally, here, that's where my brush at, right? Like I told you, straight forward, straight forward, straight forward. Don't move the brush. Just leave it straight up. Put it there. Put it there, forward. That's our brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go a little faster. Okay, after that, I go to the second angle, which is right here. All I use is the tip of the brush. I'm not using the bottom, I'm using the tip of the brush. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to the third, which is the top, but the slant. But the way I brush it is, I brush from below my crown, which is right there. My crown is right here. I got off center crown. So I brush from below so I could create a spiral. Okay, so look at my brush. I'm using half of the brush. I'm not using the whole brush. You can see it. Straightforward. So when I come here, I use the whole brush. In there, I use half of it. Look. You see how I set it down? Like that. Below the crown. Now I'm going to brush regular. I'm still training my hair, you know. But it's coming in though. Alright. You start with the tip and then boom, you use the whole brush. This side right here, I already finished here. I finished here with the brush. That's where I finished, right? If you look at it, that's where I finished. So that means that I gotta continue here. So what I do is this. You see how my brush are slanted? Look at the brush. So I push. I brush like this with the brush slanted. And then I get close to the crown with the tip of the brush. Bring it all the way down. Tip of the brush. So you want to create a spiral. In other words, these two waves right here, these two right here, I'm pulling it this way. Okay, that's how I'm brushing it. So I could be able to create that spiral, you know what I'm saying, like a circle. That's why I do it like that. I start with the tip and then I use the whole brush. Tip, the whole brush. Tip, the whole brush. Tip, the whole brush. Okay, and that's how I brush that side. The second angle, which is the back, right here. And that's how I brush it. When it comes right here to the crown, right here to the right side, I use the tip of the brush, then below the crown, and I go on the bottom. That's how I do it.